Welcome back to my YouTube tutorial series about UIKit elements for the Xcode storyboard for iOS app development. This video is a continuation of the previous video from the same series, in which we made a simple music player app using the UI segmented control for the play or pause button. Today we are going to be continuing with that app, just adding a UI slider for the volume options. Let's get into it. First, let's drag in a slider. I'll add a couple of constraints. Alright, now let's open up our view.controller. First of all, let's change the appearance of this. So we need an outlet property, control, click, and drag. I'll name it volume slider. Make sure that outlet is selected and connect. Now under view.load, I'll change the color of the thumbnail, which is this particular circle in the middle. Now we need a CG color property, and I want to work with RGB. So this is what we're going to do. CG color, and then select red, green, blue, and alpha. Now suppose I want to make it gray. So let's make this all dark. Well, not exactly gray. I want it to be slightly transparent. So alpha works with the opacity, and I'll make this 0.7. That should give us a slightly faded black color. Now to change the color of the track to the left side and to the right side of the middle thumbnail, we will have to open up this min track and then change that color. So that's all I wanted to do with the colors, and we can get to actually working with the volume. Now we're going to need an action property. So again, control, click, and drag it. And I'll make this volume changed. Make sure that the type UISlider is selected. Connect. So now what we want to do is that when the volume is changed, we set the audio player to that volume. So AVAudioPlayer dot volume equals to volume slider dot value. If you see here, the slider takes on values from 0 to 1 because minimum is 0 and maximum is 1. Similarly, AVAudioPlayer.volume takes in values from 0 to 1, so we can just set it as it is. Let me add a comment in here, 0.0 to 1.0. Alright, so that's it. Let's run it and see.